So guys, first method, open any browser. So type HP, go to www.hp.com. This is officially website. Then click to support and then software and driver. And click to printer, and guys enter model number. So guys, HP LaserJet Pro M255dw, click this and then click to search. You can see this printer. So by default detect Windows 10. So choose different. If you are using different, so that's mean okay. So select your operating system. If you are using other, so select this. Installations process almost same. Slow down. So this is second last, this is firmware. If you have to update the firmware, so click to download it. Okay, this is driver, and this is, you can see, this is installations, drivers and product softwares. Okay, this is basic driver. So I recommend guys you download this one. Okay, this. So click to download, just click like that, download, wait few seconds, it will start automatically for the downloading. After that I show you how to install. Just single click to setup. Now this is extracting data to your system. Then click to yes. Okay, so continue. I have accept, no thanks, no thanks. Now this is installing, ready to install. So you can see there are two type of options. So you can install manual and automatic. So if you know about your printer IP address and your network computer name which is you directly connected, so select this manual. Otherwise you can don't know, so just click to automatic setup. Then now this is checking the network environment, your printer, which system and which IPs to connect. Now you can see all the printer here, and then next to install. Now next step, you have to know about your printer IP, and then next to install it. Okay, you can see this.